Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Welcome back. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Ness Creative, I will be designing this canvas, that is the Dew Skyline Creative Dewdrop Canvas. Here I will be creating a night scene using this canvas. These are the colors which I will be using to decor this canvas. The inks to color it, the stamp to design, and this is the conical tipped pens which I am going to use. So let's start. Here I will be taking the archival ink to color the background of the canvas. Today I will not be using this canvas on a card, but I will be framing this canvas for a wall decor. Now using this black pen, I will color this design. Here I'm using this VersaFine Clear to stamp the stars. Here I'm going to use the Posco silver pen, and I will color these stars a little bit with silver. acrylic white color just to give some splatters. Same I'll do. Now I'll be using the acrylic black color. And again I will give the splatters. Here we will start gluing these dewdrops from the robin nest. We will be using the colors of the dewdrops to decor this canvas. So I will go with the blues first and apply a drop of glue. To give it a little more shine, I will add some of the silver dewdrops. So that will give a little bit of a glow to the canvas. I would use the same silver pen and give a little bit of a shine on this. Here we are done with the canvas. Now I will stick a sentiment to go with this. I am taking a sentiment from Timol's collection. So I'll just stick this here. Here we are done with the canvas. Now here I have completed the canvas. I will leave this canvas as it is because I will be framing this for a wall decor. Thank you for watching. Do visit the Robin Nest Creative website for the lovely canvas and the dewdrops. Bye. See you next time.